This is our 12 volt mini cut point cob. So still sticking on the theme where precision is key in terms of the small cut points. This cob, again, really nice high output. I'll give you an example of that. So this is 12 volt. The cut points, the longer is every 10 millimeters. So this is perfect for your kind of applications. It's perfect for compact designs, so where you're using smaller lengths for detailed layouts. With it being 12 volt, it is more suited towards the kind of small installs. So perfect for small cabinetry and things like that, where you don't want to get any dark spots either side of the lengths that you're trying to illuminate. With these small cut points, it's basically one up from the cut anywhere. So every 10 millimeters really is nothing when you're installing stuff like that. Really easy to cut down, and again, it's going to be really useful for those kind of installs where space is limited and you need to be really precise.